Hi, everybody, and welcome to your Student Coding and Robotics Discovery Day. You are doing challenge number 6, making a playground robot with cubelets. Cubelets, well, are these little cubes. These cubes, believe it or not, can be combined to create a robot. When we make decisions of what to put together where, that's coding. And so you're going to decide how these cubelets fit together and how you can use Lego to build a better playground robot. So a couple of things for you. The first thing is this is your battery. It's a gray block and it has a little switch on it. And when I turn my switch on, I get a nice little green light. That means my robot has power. Some of your blocks will do nothing. This one's called a passive block. It's meant to do nothing. It can hold things for you. I have some that will light up. I have some that will rotate. I have some that will drive. They have wheels. And so your job is to put them together in a way that you can make a playground robot. Will it be a swing, a merry-go-round, a robotic giraffe? I don't know, that's up to you, but Lego is going to help us. I have a little yellow disc that connects Lego on one side and the cubelets on the other. So I'm going to try here, I'm going to put my battery and I'm going to connect just like that with a magnet. I'm going to put a passive block. I'm going to connect my wheels. I'm going to let it drive. I'm going to have it light up. See, I just want to make sure my light is facing out. That's perfect. Oh, and maybe this can rotate. We'll get some swings going here. So what I'm going to do is I take this, and maybe I can attach this to the rotation piece. I can put some Lego here. So maybe I might have, I can find a little person, or oh, here's a little person. Maybe this is so that students can connect and swing around. And what's going to happen is I'm going to put all these different pieces together so that this can take some action. So if I connect this here, I can connect this here. I want you to try all the different ways and see what kind of playground robot can you make. Good luck, everybody, and have fun.